Today's community showcase is Conceptualized.tech, a scientific visualization team made up of Robert Brooke and Pelle Geivald, two full-time working scientists in Sweden. Robert holds a PhD in material science, and Pelle is working towards his on bioelectronics. Robert recently reached out to me regarding some of the work I've been doing with CGFigures, and I jumped at the chance to have them as a community showcase. I actually first encountered their work while looking for science-specialized animations on YouTube. Specifically, I was hunting for the use of p-dot coatings to join electrodes, and found their short demo video on ion pumps. Their page on YouTube is a combination of promotional material and a few Blender tutorials, most notably covering animations, such as how to create electrocardiographs or using metaballs for mitosis. A quick visit to their website showcases two important things. One is their very impressive portfolio of product animations, journal covers, and commissioned works. The other is their philosophy and the logic behind the business. One of the things that often stands out to me about science animation and graphics is how it tends to focus heavily on biology, biochemistry, and health sciences more generally. These are fields that have grasped the importance of accessible communication and focus on how their results can be brought to both the public eye while still holding up to professional scrutiny. In my opinion, this is something that is currently somewhat overlooked in certain areas of chemistry and physics, where complicated concepts and a seemingly smaller supply of graphically minded scientists means that the public to professional bridge isn't as well developed. And this is why I like Conceptualized.tech so much. They clearly state their vision for bringing that clarity and accessibility to scientific communication related to materials and instrumentation. This is a subject near and dear to my heart because my studies focused on similar concepts relating to material science more recently, and in the past, biomedical devices. So if you're a scientist, engineer, or just someone looking for maybe your next journal cover, process animation, or interactive preview, I'd be happy to point you in their direction. In our correspondence, Robert also noted that they hope to do more science-related Blender tutorials in the future, though he notes that it is a pretty considerable time investment, something I can definitely confirm. I do hope to see more of these tutorials as the Blender scientific community continues to grow. If you'd like to see more of Conceptualized.tech, check out their website. You can also follow them on YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, all under the same name. Also, if you know someone who is making contributions to the Blender scientific community or to scientific visualization in general, let me know about them in the comments or on Twitter at CGFigures. So as always, thanks for coming out. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, sharing with your friends and colleagues, check out Conceptualized.tech, and until next time, you have yourself a great old day.